Lifted Trucks built this 2016 GMC Sierra all-terrain crew cab 4x4 with ultra-low miles. This truck features a high-output, fuel-efficient 5.3-liter V8 engine. Professionally installed Trailmaster by ProComp off-road suspension lift. Great for everyday driving and off-road fun. Grappler MT tires. With fuel 20-inch off-road wheels. Stitched leather interior. Heated seats, Bluetooth, navigation, touchscreen audio, moonroof. To see more details on this truck and check out the largest selection of custom trucks in the nation, log on to liftedtrucks.com. Arizona's toughest trucks.